All right, guys, let's check out Crafty Nana Creations from Nancy Kaiser. Let's see what she's got here. So one thing, Nancy, it looks like your shop banner up here is sized incorrectly, and that's why you have this white space on the sides. Yeah, your image here has a bunch of white space on both sides. So it's making it a little bit funny. I would cut that white space off so that it's not floating around like that. And let's see here. I would also recommend getting a personal photo of yourself there. It helps out just to look a little bit more trustworthy and like more of a regular person selling this stuff. And let's go in, let's check out some of these dinosaurs. So we got a dinosaur baby romper, harem style baby romper, organic baby clothes, overall baby romper, stretchy baby romper. Very cute. Love the item. The photos are really dark, and you want to make sure your photos are nice and bright, easier to see. And these ones just aren't, you got all these cute little colors of these dinosaurs, purple and green and red, but it's so dark that you're not getting the vibrant colors from it. And I'd recommend you take these photos and make sure and reshoot them and make them nice and bright and super easy to see. And for your size chart, the size chart's a little, it works, you get the whole thing in there. It just doesn't look that great. And it's a little tough to see the whole thing right here. Because these are a little bit faded. So if you could recreate this as a digital version that fit this better and filled up the whole screen, it would just make things a little bit better. But overall, it will still work. I think the main thing, though, is going to be to work on these photos and make them nice and bright, because it looks like you got your keywords pretty well figured out. Dinosaur baby romper, harem style baby romper, organic baby clothes. But I think your photos definitely need some improvement. This one, the color is obviously very bright, so this one's easier to make it look bright. But here, just look how bright this photo is. This one's real nice and bright. And then when you look at this one, you lose all of that vibrancy. It just looks like this is taken in like a dark room late at night or something like that. So I would figure out how to get this thing brightened up, either reshoot your photos or just enhance them and get them nice and bright. And Yvette just says, I'm checking on Etsy and they have a photo thingy that is free to fix your photos. That's cool, Yvette. I've not heard of that. So maybe you could share a link to it and tell us where, or share us the name of it or something like that. I'm curious. But I think that's the biggest thing for your shop, Nancy, is just to make sure that these are nice and bright. Because it looks like you kind of ran into the same issue on a lot of these. This one, these ones all look real dark. These ones are much better, much brighter, much stronger, much better looking than the other ones. And very cute. Lots of little designs. So here we're running into an issue because I see all these different designs. You got a little octopus and a little jellyfish, but I don't see anywhere to choose these different designs. So if you might need to add some variations to this, showing them how they can choose different designs here. Because you got a lot of different things, but there's no way to say I want the seahorse or the octopus. So little details like that will definitely help you out.